What? Show that to me. What is that? What is it?
A soccer ball.
A soccer ball. Okay. Open it.
What? Open the
Yeah.
Where's my skirt?
I think it's a ballerina skirt.
Yeah. Huh?
It's a ballerina leotard and a ballerina skirt.
Yeah.
Look, see?
Where's the one more?
All right. What is it?
What?
What is it?
It's the white.
All right.
It's the white.
Who else is in there?
Cinderella.
All right.
Can we open my presents that I open around the paper?
Can we take them out of the box?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like your presents?
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
This kind of fell off.
What's your favorite?
What?
What's your favorite present? Snow White? All right. Happy birthday. How old are you?
I don't know.
How old are you?
I don't know. 4.
4. I love you. Okay.